Hey friends, how's it going? We are doing a storm drain repair here at Stone Creek Park in Kennewick. Apparently there's a blockage right here in this area. So we're going to go ahead and excavate and see. We may have to replace the line. If we do, we're going to be going clear on the other side of this ridge here. But let's see what happens. We went ahead and took a sod cutter and removed all the sod. We're going to have it replaced after our repair and backfill. But yeah, alrighty guys, take care. Stay tuned for the next video. Alright, hey friends, we got this excavated. And as you can see right there, we've got the pipe coming out of the manhole. And that's what was causing the problem here. There's some rocks in the pipe. We went ahead and cut this section so we can remove the pipe, and we're finding rocks back in here. So. Alright, so we're inspecting the remaining pipe, and it looks pretty clean. There's a few rocks in here, but they're not very big. We did pull out some good sized ones with the pipe that we're replacing. This is 12-inch ADS ribbed pipe, but the remaining pipe looks good. Yeah, so there's no need really to replace the remaining pipe, just do our repair. Hey friends, thanks for watching our before and after video of our storm drain project. So this is the finished work right here. This is another angle of the finished product. All right, have a great day guys.